Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, my pasty love. How you guys doing? In today's video, as you can see the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to review the newly launched, well it's not that new, but it's newly launched on Nykaa, the Kylie's new perfume, which is the lychee, sparkling lychee number 39. So if you're interested in an in-depth review of the perfume and you want to know my thoughts and you were thinking about buying this perfume, then definitely you should watch this video till the end, because I'm going to like deep dive into it, and by the end of this video you will know whether I like it or not. I'm going to give you my honest review, so yeah, definitely do keep on watching. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Here we talk about makeup, fragrance, perfume, clothes, hauls and all that, skincare and all that jazz. And if you're interested in all these things, then definitely you should hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a like if you liked it. Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever there's a new video. Now without wasting any more time, let's just dig into the Kylie's new perfume. So yeah, this is the bottle right here. I got the mini version. This is the 10 ml perfume, and this is the Kylie's Eden Sparkling Lychee number 39, and this is your standard 10 ml bottles. If you haven't seen, first of all, look at the packaging. It's super cute. This is the 10 ml bottle, and even the bigger bottle comes exactly in the same color and the same transparent salmon pink type of bottle. And I love that even the smaller bottle gives you the feel of the bigger bottle, because it's exactly same and it's very cute. And I love how like watermelon, light pink, orangey and transparent bottle this is, and the bottle is super cute, and this retails for rupees 2,400 rupees, around that price point. But I used some coupon and I got it for 2,000 rupees for this 10 ml bottle. And yeah, and if you want the bigger bottle, this is how the bigger bottle looks like, and I think 50 ml cost rupees 8,500, around that price point. And the bigger bottle is I think 10 or 11,000, I'm not very sure. Everything I'm going to write it down below, and you can check out the price, and it's available on Nykaa. I think it's also available in Tira. I'm not so sure about Sephora, but I got my hands on this one from Nykaa. So yeah, that is the packaging, and I absolutely love the minis of Kylie, and I love their packaging overall. Okay, so this one right off the back, as you can see how the name is sparkling lychee, it's a very fruity, floral, more sweet bubblegum type of a fresh yet light fragrance. It's very bright, uplifting, very everyday, and you can't go wrong with it type of a perfume. Very non-offensive, and it's definitely a sweet fruity perfume. So if you like that type of fragrance, then this one is for you. Let me just read out the notes for you, then I will like deep dive into it. So in the opening you have got lychee, you have got blackcurrant, red apple and Italian lemon on the top. In the middle you have got violet, rose and jasmine sandbag, and at the base you have got sugar, vanilla absolute, musk, amber, sandalwood and cedar. So let me spray some on my hand. And honestly, like when I first sprayed it, like I just received it last week, and when I first sprayed it, the opening to me smells like cough syrup, like a sweet cough syrup. It is slightly little medicinal, but I just couldn't ignore the fact that it smells like cough syrup. Like when I just sprayed it and I smelled it, like the first 5 to 10 seconds, y'all, it does smell like a sweet cough syrup. And after 10 seconds, that cough syrupy medicinalness vanishes. And in the opening I do get a lot of red apple, probably because of the red apple only it's smelling like cough syrupy sweet, but I don't get a lot of lychee. I wish there was more lychee in the opening. Like my favorite lychee perfume has to be Mugler's Angel Nova, and if you can just smell that perfume and if you like lychee note, you will love the Angel Nova. I was expecting it to be something like that, at least in the opening, and I thought it'll be little like fluffy and fresh and lots of sweetness from the lychee, but I don't get the lychee notes. I'm really disappointed in that front. It's a little deceiving because the name is sparkling lychee and it does not smell even a little bit like lychee. if you know how lychee smell. And lychee is one of my favorite fruits, and this is also the month for lychees, so yeah, if you haven't tried, definitely try that fruit. But I get a lot of red apple and a little bit of the black currant, but really can't detect that lychee, which is very disappointing and deceiving. However, I also cannot. In the opening, it does smell like cough syrup, but it mostly has that little bit of freshness, and it's very light and sparkling. So that way, yes, it is sparkling, but it's more like a sparkling red apple than lychee, if you know what I mean. It does have a lot of sweetness, of course, coming from the sugar, the vanilla. I can smell a lot of sugar and sweetness. It's almost like bubble gum candy like. So if you like that type of perfume, then definitely you're going to like this one. This is very like girly, everyday, um feminine leaning, very like summer, daytime, brunch, lunch, that kind of a perfume. You just spray some on me. I really like the bottle. I cannot like stop looking at it, and it's so cute. You can even like just pop it in your purse. But yeah, opening is fruity, fresh, light, red apple, a little bit of black currant. But as it starts drying down, like after 5 minutes, I start liking it more, because yeah, I start getting that rose, and the rose here is not very in your face or loud. It's more like a very subtle rose. If you like subtle rose like the Chloe rose, then definitely you will like this one as well. I do get little bit of violet, but I don't get a lot of jasmine. Like, it does not have any jasmine, like a heavy floral note. It's mostly sweet and fruity and bubblegum candy like, with the rose peeking through a little bit, with a little bit very subtle freshness. It's definitely a fresh and bright and uplifting perfume. And the disappointment for me has to be that it does not smell like lychee, and it does not have long lastingness. Like, yesterday I wore it and it just lasted me for 1 hour, and after that it just vanished and it became very skin like, and it sits very close to the skin, and it does not last. It does project, like when you first spray it, people are going to smell it on you, but that just lasts for like 1 hour, max 2 hours, and after that it just vanishes. So it's definitely not long lasting. I have previously used a lot of Kylie fragrance. I've reviewed them, like the Gillette to Yum one, that is very long lasting. The most long lasting one has to be from Kylie, the sweet diamond pink pepper. The pink color bottle is super long lasting. Those are, I think, EDP Intense. This one, however, is not at all long lasting. But yeah, so the top is something I don't like, middle is something I like, and then when it goes more and more, like after few, like half an hour, that's when I start liking the scent actually. And it smells very sugary. There's vanilla, there's a little bit of woody tones, there's a little bit of cedar, sandalwood. It gets a little woody and musky in the base. I do get a fluffy muskiness at the base, but it's mostly the sugar and the vanilla that you get after the dry down. So if you like sweet perfume, then you will like this. What else do I say about this perfume? Will I get a bigger bottle of this one? I don't think so. I don't think I liked it that much that I will go and grab the bigger bottle, and I'm happy that I paid even less for the smaller bottle, because I don't see myself gravitating towards this that much, especially because it's not long lasting. B, I don't really like the smell that much. It's a okay perfume for me. Like, if you do not have a big collection, you can go for it, but again, the price that you pay for a high-end Kylie perfume is a lot, and I want it to be very long lasting, and I want it to be freaking good. Yeah, it's a very average, okayish perfume. I'm not crazy about this one, and I'm kind of disappointed, because looking at the notes, I thought I'm going to love it, and it's going to give me that Angel Nova vibe from Mugler. That is an amazing perfume, by the way. Check it out if you haven't already. This one is not my cup of tea. Now, if I have to compare it with the Eden Juicy Apple, this is how the bottle looks like of Eden Juicy Apple, the red color transparent bottle, and this one, as you can see, is a much more light pink bubblegumish packaging wise. Kylie, I love. Let me just smell this one. Let me just spray this and I will compare it. Yeah, this one is a lot more juicier, it's more sweeter, it's more in your face. I definitely prefer this one more. This also has that red apple note that this one has, but this is much more lighter, it's more toned down. This has a very synthetic vibe, like that cough syrup vibe that I don't like. This one, however, is very fruity, it's very girly, so I feel like these are of the similar DNA. This, however, is more lighter, more fresh, more subtle, and this is more sweet. This smells like real fruits. It smells like a fruit cocktail. This one is more subtle and light and everyday, and this is something I prefer more. Like you can see, I have put a huge dent also in this one. So I use this a lot. If I want to smell like fruity and girly and bright, I do wear this, and it does have a more long lastingness to it. This one is something I can layer this with. Like since I already have it, I will just layer these two, and I'm going to smell like a divine tropical fruit cocktail, like these two together. This is a very good layering perfume, so when I layer these two, it works, if you know what I mean. But this on its own, I don't prefer it, I don't like it. Just summing up my thoughts on this one, the Eden Sparkling Lychee is not a lychee perfume. First of all, it's more like a candy sugar bubblegummy perfume. A little bit of freshness, lots of red apple, and it's fruity, it's girly. It's a everyday, you can wear this for lunch and brunch and girls day out, running errands. It's like a everyday grab and go, but the point is it does not last on me. So let me know if you have this perfume, what are your thoughts, does this last on you? This just did not last on me, which is why I'm going to pass it on and not going to buy the bigger bottle. So this was a no-no for me. I think this is one of the Kylie perfumes I did not like. I like most of the perfumes, but this one is a no from my side. So that was my review of the Kylie Sparkling Lychee. If you liked this video, definitely hit up in the comment section. I'll be soon reviewing their newer perfume, which is the, I think, vanilla candy rock sugar, something like that. I have ordered it. I'm going to review that, and I'm really excited for that. I hope that is more long lasting and more intense, unlike this one. And also I'll be doing like a ranking video of all my Kylie, and I will let you guys know which one is like my top favorite Kylie and which one I don't like. So I'll be doing an updated ranking video, so stay tuned for that as well. But just waiting for the vanilla candy rock sugar, that perfume, to come, and I will review that separately. So yeah, stay tuned for all those videos, and this was the video for this perfume. If you liked it, definitely hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.